back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field. We are going to dive right on in. Just know the link to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, the company Planet Pharma, they are in the healthcare industry for pharmaceuticals. They are hiring a labeling proofreader. Now, this is remote for the United States. All the way down at the bottom, it does say Colorado and New York. Candidates may not be considered, so it is for all of the states in the United States except those two. Pay rate for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $28.74 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to proofread the labeling documents, including U.S. packaging inserts for CPLP and CCDSs. Additionally, you'll be responsible for data entry, data tracking, and assisting with document distribution globally. You might also be responsible for proofreading labels documents, including not only the package inserts, but the components and harmonized Spanish and English inserts as well. Now, this job listing does not specifically say that you need to be bilingual. Now, as far as what they're looking for, though, they do prefer a bachelor degree in either science or English. It doesn't state that it's required. You do need 1 year of labeling proofreading experience in some kind of regulated environment, or 3 years of other proofreading experience. Someone who is great with English grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Someone who is meticulous about their work and has great attention to detail. Of course, you have to work those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the things. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.